Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Photopea. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see, we have got our image in Photopea that we want to crop. And then what you want to do is come over to the right hand side and make sure that you've selected the right layer. So as you can see, we've selected that download layer, which is of our gorgeous cute little puppy, and that is the layer that we're going to crop the image of. So then you want to come over to the left hand side and click on this crop tool button, and then as you can see, we've got this grid appear with these squares going along the top. And now what you can do is you can hold down those squares and then move those grids to where you want to crop your image to. So I'm going to crop it to his gorgeous little face just so you can really see how this tool works. I'm just going to make sure, bring that up there, make that a little bit bigger. Oh, those eyes. And then at the top you can see that we've got this tick here. So if you give that tick to confirm it, and then you can see that our image has been cropped. And that is it, guys. That is how to crop an image on Photopea. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing, and I will catch you guys in the next one.